The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Ben, you look damn good, Ben. Yes, Ben. I mean, Ben. Why, John was that? That one I forgot put up there, Ben. Yeah, man. That one that look good, man. Yeah, man. What you mean, man? Lord God, man. This is Cousin Ben, J. Uncle Ben, J. Yeah, man. Up, man. This is the one in the Highland, man. Looking good, man. I want to have to put up better. Yeah, man. I have to put up, man. How are you, say, man?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. I hope that everything is okay and alright with each and every single one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, you don't know me, Seriousskilla. I only wish nothing but the best for everyone. Alright, so big up and respect. Alright, and enjoy your holidays. You see me? Alright, so viewers and subscribers, in this video I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media, and I just presented to you a video that shows a person on a motorcycle, and the motorcycle have two front wheels, as I say. Yeah, so that motorcycle with the two front wheels plus the back wheel make that motorcycle have three wheels, as I mean. Now the motorcycle shown in that video that I just presented to you raised many questions on social media. Many comments had been made on social media about the video that I just presented to you, and some of these comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the motorcycle had been modified and that that is not the way how the motorcycle had been originally made. You see me? Some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are amazed by the motorcycle shown in the video that I just presented to you. I am wondering if this motorcycle really runs smooth as the normal ones that only have two wheels. You see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, the video is being talked about on social media. You can let me know what to think about the video that I just presented to you, or you can let me know what to think about the motorcycle shown in the video with the two front wheels. You see me? Alright, so viewers and subscribers, I am going to move on to another video, and the next video I'm going to present to you. This video is going to show a person doing something that I call DJing a song. You see me? Now on social media, it is said that the video shows a person singing a song. You see me? I said to you, yeah, some persons might call what the person had done DJing, and some persons might also call it singing. But however, I listen to some of the lyrics of the song. You see me? And in my point of view, I think that this song, as how some persons call it, is somewhat of a jealousy song to me. You see me I say? But anyways, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear some of the things that have been said in this video, and you can let me know what you think about some of the lyrics that have been put into this video. You see me? Alright, now as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Flex with me girl, matter of fact, everybody want flex with me girl. To be, can't take a check with me girl. Me no want no man I say no checks to me girl. Because you know my brother enough to flex with me girl. Matter of fact, everybody want flex. Me no response to no man. Me watch me oh man. Me no care if them a call me watch pussy man. Just the girl pretty like a full Indian. She a pretty average one in a million. Feel sick. Tell me girl pat the wall come. Feeling one of my friend them more me 10 grand. Should I take off and over plus couple seconds. Cheers 10 o'clock come back quarter to one see you. That no must cast bangarang. Here a Jesus Christ I used to tell us wrong. The short space of time if she could have take a man. Hey girl cut the fuck out and so say a jam. Come me do. I know every fuck take long. Girls if the man is just a 1 minute man. Oh, that take no bun, no bread, no bacon from me. That take no check with no girl. You know I know when I say no text to me girl. Because you know my brother enough to flex with me girl. Matter of fact, everybody want text. Me love me girl, but me love her next door because and if me girl left me no right, I know me would a man. Why try a thing my boss in windpipe? Me watch me girl a key, me watch me girl a night. From NASA, me order a pussy satellite. Watch me girl a day, watch me girl a night. If not here, JPS cut off the light. In the night me get a big flashlight and patrol the house from left back to right. So me not take no check with me. Me no want a man to send a text to me. Girl, we don't come again. We don't come again. We don't come again. Prove it. We don't.
Viewers and subscribers, the first thing I'm gonna say, you see, the person shown in the video that I just presented to you, in my point of view, this person is talented. You see me? Yeah, this person have lyrics and can put lyrics together and amuse persons. You understand me? So I make that very clear. You see me? But I do not support the high jealousy behavior. You see me? I said, if you listen to the lyrics carefully, viewers and subscribers, you hear some things where the person says something about vex with girl and not take check with girl and so forth. You see me? I say, it might not be word for word, but you know, that's the understanding that I get. You see me? And in my point of view, those things sounds like some jealousy behaviors. You see me? And me wouldn't encourage one to be so highly jealous. No, I would not encourage anyone to be so highly jealous. You see me? I said to you. Plus, I do not support domestic violence. I do not support no form of violence, and I do not support anyone trying to control anyone in a relationship. You see me? I said to you, the song put together, it's amusing. It made me laugh, but at the same time, it's just that I am concerned about the jealousy part of it. You see me? I said to you, again, the person shown in the video, in my point of view, he's talented, but it's just that I don't support the high jealousy behavior. You see me? No, I don't. Alright, but you know, you can let me know what I think, you know. You can tell me if I am wrong or if I'm right, you know, but I'm just telling you what I think. You see me? Alright, but anyways, I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show a person singing. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm presenting this video to you so that you can take a look at this video and you can listen to this person's singing, and you can also let me know what you think about this person singing. You see me? You can let me know if you like this person singing or if you do not like this person singing. You understand? You know, I'm going to present the video to you and then we'll talk a little bit more about it. You see me? And just in case, if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, don't like some of the things that you're about to see and hear in this video, viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yeah, new hairstyle. Yeah.
I give you my love. You're the only one I need in my life.
Yeah.
Don't give up on me. I am wonderful, made in the image of right now.
Yeah.
God so loved the world that He gave His only Son. That's who's me. Let's to the crumble. Up to the sky. Up to the moon. I want it them.
I want it them. Yeah. So you think I cat too?
Alright, viewers and subscribers. You see, life set a way where sometimes when you look down on a person's talent, that same talent become the biggest thing. You see me? I said to you, now, this video is out on social media where many persons found what had happened in this video to be funny. You see me? I say, some of the comments made on social media gave me the understanding that some persons on social media laughed at the way how this person sing. You see me? I say, now in my point of view, viewers and subscribers, you see, this person singing is not the best in my point of view. You know, it's not the best to me. Yes, I mean I said to you, but however, I think the person just needs to keep practicing. Yeah, that's the best thing I'm going to say. I'm not going to discourage anyone. You understand? Just keep practicing. Yes, I mean I said to you. Yeah, but viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think about this video that I just presented to you. And here's where I'm going to leave it. Again, big up and respect to each and every one. Yes, I mean, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and best of holidays. You don't know me Dancehall Skilla, I'm wishing nothing but the best for each and every one. So until next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla, you know. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?